Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome into forthelow.net, where all of our products are SpenCertified. I'm Spencer, and today I've got this awesome product that I'm really excited to show you. It's the Sony 400 disc DVD player and changer ES series, which stands for Elevated System. And the model number of it is DVP-CX777ES. And this thing is excellent for just loading up a bunch of DVDs. You can load up your whole collection and never touch a disc again. It'll protect your discs from scratches, and it'll make it really easy to just press play. Let's go ahead and talk about it. This beast of a machine has just a spectacular looking front panel display. Just the way it's textured and the color of it is just gonna look amazing in your cabinet as long as you can fit the whole device. Over here, you've got a power button, and then you've got your display. It'll show what kind of disc you're playing. It can play video CDs, DVD, CD, and super audio CDs, as well as a few other formats. And then down here, you have your keyboard input. That's for typing in the names of the discs. And then you have some other controls right here. And then right here, of course, is your door. If you push your open button, it'll give you access to the carousel where you can just put your discs in. And then you've got disc eject. If you push that, it will put the disc out that you select a little bit more than the others, so it's easy to grab. And then over here you've got play, pause, and stop. You've got some menu options, so you can control much of it without the remote. Then you've got your disc control knob right here. And then you've got plus 100 if you want to skip forward 100 discs. You've got direct search. And then as some features, you can use Dolby Digital. And then you've got DTS surround sound. You can play CDs and super audio CDs, as we said before. So we'll go ahead and put this disc in just to have it ready. And then on the rear panel, you've got a bunch of different outputs. You've got digital audio. You can use coaxial or optical. Then you've got 5.1 channel output for connecting it to a surround sound. And then you've got line output composite and S-video. You've got two of them, so you can connect to two displays. And then over here you have your component output. That would be your best option if you want the highest quality picture. And right here you want to switch between selectable, progressive, and interlace. If you keep it on selectable, it'll do it automatically. And then down here you have your command mode. You're going to want to make sure that that is set to the same one as in the remote. And to adjust it on the remote, that is in the battery compartment. And then right here you have a RS232C output. That's for connecting it to a system. And then S-Link, again, that's for connecting it to a system. And this was manufactured in January of 2006. And it was made in Malaysia, which Malaysia is definitely one of the best places you want to get your products from. Now that you understand all that, let's go ahead and wire it up. So we're just going to use the red, white, and yellow cable. All you have to do is match up the colors. And then once you've got it all connected, you can power it on and you'll get a signal to your TV. And this is the original remote control for it. You've got a ton of different options that you can choose from. You can turn on and off the display, which gives you all of these options. You can select if you want to just have it do one disc playback or all discs, and then you can go down here and turn on or off the program mode. And then you've got shuffle mode too. That's for CDs if you want to have it shuffle. And then you've got your menu button if you want to go into the menus. You can just jump to that. And then you've got some audio and video controls. You can change the way that the audio output is done. And then of course you've got all of your standard DVD operations. And also something else that's cool about this remote is the main functions are actually glow in the dark. You may not be able to see too well right here, but those buttons are definitely glowing. And then you can also quickly skip the disc by using the disc skip function. Then of course you can also name the discs, which is really cool, and it makes it easy to find discs. You can search for them by letter or name. That's all the basics of this Sony 400 disc DVD player and changer. This thing is really awesome. Like I said, just load up your entire library and push play on whatever DVD you want. It makes it super easy and convenient. If you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it from us at forthelow.net. You can call to order or you can get it on our website. Thanks for watching.